He can be sleeping, but let's hope that the Holy Spirit will wake us up so that we understand. In the end times, we will suffer terrible tribulations or afflictions. The negative in the situation, the loss of faith, and increase of satanic tribulation. And so we have Catechism 675 and Matthew 24. You have also book of Revelation. The good thing about the matter is that Benedict XVI, being the leader of the Catholic Church, the vicar of Christ, the vicar of the Divine Mercy, he knew how to counteract